MultiGasAnalyser. How to test nitrous oxide with the FlowAnalyser PRO. In the following example, the certificate for the used nitrous oxide gas shows a set point specified at 65% and an actual value of 64.9%. Here's a simple way to connect devices for nitrous oxide analysis. Connect the MultiGasAnalyser to the RS232 port and wait until the LED stops blinking. Connect the tubing to the gas outlet for venting to the exterior. Activate the OR703 protocol. Tap the Settings tile, then tap Device. Scroll until you reach RS232. Tap it and select OR703 protocol. Tap the home screen icon. Disconnect the gas tubing from the MultiGasAnalyser and perform the MultiGasAnalyser calibration. Tap the calibration tile and then tap the OR703 zeroing tile. Tap Start Zeroing to calibrate. Please wait a few seconds until the calibration process is finished.
To ensure a safe environment for all participants, please confirm all connections are properly secured and the nitrous oxide outlet is correctly set up before initiating the test.
Tap the measurement tile. Perform the test by connecting the gas tubing to the MultiGasAnalyser and the MultiGasAnalyser to the main flow channel of the FlowAnalyser PRO. Open the gas source and verify the percentage of nitrous oxide at different flow rates. You can also use our Flow Lab software to view the values. Change the flow and verify the percentage of the nitrous oxide.